Hi, it's Lana from Three Birds Renovations, and I'm here at this gorgeous family home that we've renovated. It's no secret we love a clad home at Three Birds, but when cladding a home, there are a number of things you need to consider. Starting with the materials you use, you want to choose a product that will provide your home with weather protection, insulation, and help with energy efficiency. Unlike timber resistant to damage from termites, rot and moisture, Hardie fibre cement stands up to harsh weather conditions, so it's perfect for coastal homes and the Aussie climate. And just when you think that sounds too good to be true, this cladding comes pre-primed, which saves you time and money when it comes to painting.